There's so much space left.
They bought an FRS. But you guys redid everything, right?
Yeah,
you had
build block.
Yeah, it's just a build block.
Like, it still looks the same and everything.
Yeah, but you gotta build
Still
stuff.
got
So I
that
have,
rag here,
I have
this
an intake
nigga.
that goes to my front plug light now. But I have an external wastegate dump and it's like a bunch of little shit. And the motor boat.
Everything is real snug.
So how much you putting down right now?
He made on fucking the shop's CT's dyno, which is like 8% low reading. So
For Mikey?
yeah, on the dyno at the shop. So the 8% low reading, it made 330 and 350. So 330 horse and 350 torque. But that I still need to change my plugs, re-get my plugs smaller, and change my coil packs. And then I gotta upgrade my map sensor because I can't go past 21 psi.
What's it like a 3-bar map right now?
So no, it's a stock map. What the fuck?
Keeps dying, he said? Oh, the phone.
Alright.
I thought he was talking about the car, dude.
Just follow me from there. Yeah, the phone keeps dying.
At least it's not the car. See, about to whip it.
Yo, I can't.
Oh, nigga! This nigga's moved, yo.
I can't whip it.
That was bad. Yo, my freaking ears. What did we hit right there? 140. We hit 140 something. Yo, chill. Oh my god. That other Subaru was like,
That nigga didn't want it.